climate change robots. China. Inequality, climate change, and aging are key challenges for China according to the Asian Development Bank president. According to the China Aquatic Products Processing and Marketing Alliance boss, climate change is forcing investors to abandon China mariculture. Mariculture is a specialized branch of aquaculture involving the cultivation of marine organisms for food and other products in the open ocean. Thailand. In February, up to 134 flights were rescheduled as Phuket International Airport in Thailand had to close a cracked runway for repairs. In March, local residents and tourism operators called on the government to prevent a polluted canal from damaging a once beautiful beach in Krabi. Malaysia. In March, more than 500 people throughout Malaysia took part in a beach cleanup to collect data on the scale of the marine debris problem facing Malaysia. Hong Kong. In March, researchers said upgrading Asia-Pacific's biggest ports to cope with the effects of climate change will cost up to $49 billion, but the bill could be even higher if no action is taken. In January, the Volvo Ocean Race Hong Kong Stopover 2018 sailing race entered Hong Kong waters for the first time to highlight the vital issues of building water resiliency and the reduction of plastic waste in oceans to improve the quality of life for Hong Kong residents. Also in January, Hong Kong University scholars discovered human perceived temperature is rising faster than actual air temperature under climate change. Japan. The number of Japanese tourists has plunged since North Korea threatened to attack U.S. Pacific territory. South Korea. The number of Chinese visitors to South Korea last month declined by 46% for the 11th straight month, following the diplomatic row between the two countries over the deployment of a U.S. anti-missile system. India. Climate change is taking a toll on India's agricultural productivity and farmers' incomes, the Economic Survey 2018 shows. The problem is projected to further aggravate with climate change as weeds can better adapt to temperature fluctuations than crop plants. Singapore. Singapore broke another temperature record last year in what the weatherman says is another sign of global warming. Most Singaporeans worry about impact of climate change, but few think their actions matter. Most Singapore firms are not treating climate change as financial risk according to a KPMG poll. Indonesia. Indonesia is attempting to clean up the world's dirtiest river. Citarum is the longest and largest river in West Java. Volcanic eruptions continue to plague tourism to Indonesia. Climate change robots.